Hi guys! So in this video I'm going to show you what I'm eating in a day along with a little bit of what this 10-month-old little girl is eating. And it's going to be a very busy day. It's already like 11 o'clock, so I've been up since 5 o'clock with her. My assistant just got here. So we're going to have a photo shoot today for some food photos. I'm going to write a blog post in my newsletter. Hopefully spend some time outside with the baby because I need some fresh air. And so does she. I will tell you, I've been having a very hard time feeding myself lately because I'm so busy, especially with her and breastfeeding and all of that. So it's been a challenge. However, today and this week I have a Purple Carrot box. Purple Carrot is a great vegan meal delivery service. I've used them in the past when we lived in New York. It's just going to make it a lot easier for me to feed myself. This video is also sponsored by Purple Carrot, so I'll put some links down below for you guys to check it out. We already had breakfast this morning, of course, since we've been awake since 5. Steel cut oats that I make in the Instant Pot. I either have that, like I did today, or I have to have porridge. While I'm eating, I often feed her solids. Today she had sweet potato and spinach, and then also butternut squash. You ate all of it. You ate the whole thing. Yummy. Yeah. Oh, that's a big piece. Be careful. And every morning I have my very necessary and delicious matcha oat milk latte that I sweeten with maple syrup. I'm going to put a link for that down below. I've shared my matcha lattes a lot, but the syrup is just a little extra thing that I started doing. So, extra special. So let's get started with our day. Showdown. Be careful. Don't touch it. Uh-oh. 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 I finally made it out of the house. And I have a little pair. Seems like every time I leave the house super hungry because it just takes that long to get out of the house. We're going on a little walk around our neighborhood just to get some fresh air and a little bit of exercise. I have definitely been slacking in the exercise and fresh air department as of late. So I'm really trying to prioritize it because it makes a world of a difference for me. And I think the baby too. She loves to be outside. Okay, we're back from our walk. I'm having a quick little fruit snack, another fruit snack. This time, persimmon. This is my favorite fruit of the season. Isn't it pretty? And then for lunch, the purple carrot meal. We're gonna make that right now after I eat this. So we're gonna make these citrus beet bowls. Looks super good. Hopefully mine turns out looking as good as this one does. Hi, baby Jay. Hi, baby. Are you looking at the food? Okay, so from our purple carrot box, crispy chickpeas, roasted beets, millet, pesto vinaigrette. I got servings for 6, by the way. So 3 oranges, Italian spice. It's already measured out. These plastic bags, we don't buy trash bags at all. So I'm going to reuse this for a liner for my trash can or for dirty diapers. Just always in trying to eliminate plastic, and if I end up with a bunch of plastic, to reuse it somehow. And then a little bit of oil, it says. Just some salt on there. Perfect timing. And chickpeas. Salt, oil, black pepper, this Italian spice. Bonus! I'm afraid that I'm going to eat all the chickpeas before we actually eat the rest of the bowl. Bye-bye. Millet. Okay, so the millet is on the stove. We're gonna make the pesto vinaigrette. Then we just have to cut up avocado in the orange. So I'm just gonna combine the pesto, red wine vinegar. I'm gonna add maple syrup. I always add them to my vinaigrettes, like no matter what. So like a teaspoon. because then it helps to balance out the tartness. That's better. So our Pete's. So hungry, it's crazy. Mmm. It's good. Okay, I'm gonna go eat this. Bye. I have just like some baby greens in the refrigerator. They're clean from last night. So I decided to put the rest on top. So now that I have eaten, I can talk to you guys. I feel so much better. It's almost 3 o'clock. Baby's still asleep, and I just need to do some more photos, finish my blog post, my newsletter, and do another blog post. Hopefully I can fit it all in. I really liked that meal. It was delicious, and I feel full, and I didn't finish my second helping. I knew I wouldn't. I'm gonna give the rest to Max. If you want to try out Purple Carrot, check out the link down below in the description box. And they've also shared a code for me to share with you for $30 off your order of Purple Carrot, which, I mean, even more reason to try, right? So all of that is down below. And when you try it, let me know what you think about it, and like tag me on Instagram so I can see what you got in your box this week. Back to work. Baby's still asleep, right? Let's see. Yes, she's still asleep. What are you eating, honey bunny? You had your milk, and now what are you eating? Now you're eating peas and squash. More squash. Yummy. Looks good. The baby has eaten. Actually, she's breastfed, and now she's eating her solids. Yummy. So I'm gonna go and write, and we also have to do voiceover for another video. There's so much jammed into today, and the sun goes down so early. It's just, oh my gosh. So let's finish our day. So here's the situation that I'm dealing with right now. First off, I have some tortilla chips because I'm hungry again. I just finished feeding the baby, so I'm gonna have some tortilla chips and hummus. Also, I'm trying to figure out what to make for dinner, and I have to use up these greens because they're not looking so hot. So they gotta be cooked like 2 weeks ago. So baby Jay just went to sleep, and as soon as Max takes her to, put her down, put her in her crib, literally as soon as I get up and I come into the kitchen to make dinner every single night. Sometimes I already have something done, but most nights I don't. That happens like once in a blue moon. I actually do have something in the fridge, but I don't feel like eating it. I feel like eating something else. I'm thinking tofu teriyaki, that one pan recipe that I created. Pretty easy. I'm in the mood for it. I should not have started cooking all of these things. I should have just eaten the leftovers in the fridge because I've been in here for over an hour and I'm getting really tired. I love to cook, but my energy these days, I don't have it all. So as soon as these screens are finished, I can finally sit down and relax and eat. Finally dinner's done, so I can go and sit down and eat and relax, because my bedtime is in, it's like 45 minutes to an hour. I need to go to sleep. So I better hurry up and eat. Thank you guys for coming along with me on this What I Eat in a Day. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to share all the links down below for Purple Carrot and that $30 off. Also for the recipes that I shared today, like for this delicious maple teriyaki tofu. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.